The VEVOR 1.6-HP dust collector boasts a powerful motor that ensures efficient suction, capturing dust, and reclaiming media to maintain a clean work environment. With a generous 1.8-gallon dust capacity, this dust collector allows for prolonged operation without the need for frequent emptying, letting you focus on your projects. Its universal fit with a 2-inch inlet makes it compatible with most industrial sandblasting cabinets and media blasters, ensuring versatility in various work settings. Constructed from durable cold-rolled steel with a powder-coated surface, this dust collector is designed to resist deformation, corrosion, and rust, promising long-term reliability. This system effectively filters a variety of media types, such as glass beads and aluminum oxide, which helps in creating a cleaner and more efficient workspace. The product is ready to use with VEVOR 90-gallon sandblasting cabinets and includes a drilling template for compatibility with other sizes, providing flexibility in installation.